so it's that time again. You get a little intro from me because this episode is a little bit different. This episode we're taking you on the road to the Rockport Auto Show. Now, as if you've been following us, we talk about this show all the time because it's my favorite show on the planet to do. Rockport is my second hometown, and we get super excited every year to go back. And this year we thought we'd switch it up a bit and incorporate something that we've never really done before, and that is the element of co-hosts. And not just any co-hosts. I'm talking about co-hosts from the ages of 4 to 84. So I thoroughly hope that you enjoy this episode, and please leave them some comments. These kids are super excited to see themselves on TV, and we just want to make this as special for them as possible. So P.S. you'll have to excuse the poor lighting, and I look terrible because I was actually incredibly ill while we were doing this show. And so Earl reared his ugly head, and I had a bout of terribleness for this art show. But we pushed through it, and I'm better again, so everything is back to normal again. But anyway, so ignore the lack of makeup, ignore how swollen I look, because I really was swollen from head to toe. It was terrible. But focus on, instead of focusing on me, focus on my co-hosts, because those kids had an absolute ball. So hope you enjoy it. I'm Rio. I have a show on YouTube called Rio&Sace. We do this all the time on there. And in a few weeks, your little face is going to be on here because you're the co-host for this segment. What's your name? JC? JC, say hi to everybody. This is my ex-mother-in-law. The funny thing is that she still likes me more than she does him.
She's got my grandchildren.
Haley, I'm Rio&Sace. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. This is Britt. Britt, where are you from?
I'm from Corpus.
Corpus Christi, Texas. Woohoo! How long have you been in Texas?
Since 3rd grade.
Since 3rd grade?
Yeah.
Ain't ever gonna leave,
And
are
I'm
you?
not going to tell you how long ago that was.
That's okay. It couldn't have been more than 20 years, right?
Right, exactly.
Exactly. Okay.
Lee.
Lee, where are you from?
Louisville, Texas.
Louisville, Texas. How long have you been a Texan?
Oh, since I was 2.
Never gonna leave, are you?
No, heck no.
Never gonna leave. Paisley, meet Paisley. How old are you, Paisley?
4.
You're 4 years old? Are you gonna paint with me? Are you gonna paint with me?
Yes.
Yes? Are you ready? Okay, let's do this.
I'm Isabella and I'm 13. I'm Olivia and I'm 12.
And what are we gonna do, girls?
Paint with Rio.
That's right.
Amelia.
How old are you, Amelia?
I'm 11.
Where are you from?
Houston, Texas.
Woo! Are you ever gonna leave Texas? Never.
No,
That's the
not
answer.
really.
Never. Never gonna leave Texas.
Ashley,
And how old are you, Ashley?
11 years old.
And why are you so excited?
Because I get to paint with Rio.
That would be me. Yay! Okay.
Wyatt,
Your name's Wyatt. How old are you, Wyatt?
7.
7. Have you ever painted before? So you got this. You know this. What about you, Sweet Pea? What's your name?
Sarah,
How old are you?
9.
And where are you from?
Victoria.
Victoria? Right on. Okay, are you guys ready to pour some paint? Yay! Okay.
My name's Mama and I'm 8 years old. I'm from Corpus Christi.
Right on. And tell us your name.
My name's Keon and I'm 12 and I'm from Corpus Christi.
Okay, we're on the roof. You see a bit of rock coming down from the roof there. Now we're in the clear. Now we're descending on the line. Running down the line quickly, everything's going good. Final check.
got kicked right in the fields. If you did, give these kids a big thumbs up, a like. Let them know in the comments below how well they did on their first gig pouring with me and how much fun it was to see them on the YouTube channel. Give them a shout out. Until next time, thanks for joining us on the road. Ciao! Ciao!
Ciao!
Ciao! Ciao! Ciao!